Comparing the first edition Sprag clutch with the latest edition Sprag clutch. First edition clutches came out in 2008. This is a 2021 clutch, and on the older models the bearings would break and the clutch wouldn't operate anymore. The teeth would snap off, all of them. On the new version clutch, they have updated the bearings to be much stronger. Also, the amount of teeth has changed and they upgraded everything on the teeth. Comparing the two, there are very slight differences, but just know that the latest one's way stronger, allows for more boost quicker and lasts. Just thought I'd show you guys this. Out for now.